Hi guys, it's Andrew from NFTMASTER, and we're going to go through what the process looks like for a bulk mint batch. So we're going to create a batch. This is going to be an image-based batch. We'll put the title as test batch. We'll add a royalty. Now this will be a royalty or a transfer fee for all the NFTs that get minted within this batch. So we'll put 10%. We'll add the collection taxon, put 8. And we'll add a description. So this could be any description. So test description, and then this will appear in the description field in the metadata for all the NFTs. We'll add a external link. We'll just put NFT master. And we'll add a category for all the NFTs. So this will also appear in the metadata. You can change this in the next screen. You need to change it before you mint it. So now that we've created the batch, we can now upload all of our images and then metadata. So if you've already used a standard metadata, for example, this one here is the NFTgenerator.com, you're actually able to upload your metadata and we automatically change that to XLS-20D, which is the standard that we're using for NFTs. So first we'll upload all the images. Now that we've uploaded all the images, we can scroll down and we could see them have now appeared here. Now we could obviously enter in the details of each NFT manually, which is the name, and then we could add the property, which would essentially be attributes and the type for each one. But what we can also do is we could upload a JSON file. This could be either one or multiple JSON files, and it will automatically pair with the correct NFT. And so at the moment we have support for the NFTgenerator.com, but we'll also have support for Hashlips and other sites as well. So what we'll do is we'll select the JSON file, which contains the metadata, and this will automatically get transferred to XLS-20D, and we'll press upload. Now that we've uploaded the JSON metadata, we can scroll down and we could actually see that all the input fields have already been entered and automatically paired. We could see here the name has automatically been pulled from the metadata file, and we could still update and change all these attributes and properties because we haven't minted the NFT yet, or we haven't stored it to IPFS yet, and we can see the rest of them. So once you're happy with all the data and all the metadata and it's been paired correctly, we could press preview batch, and this will give you another chance to look at the batch once it's done. And so we can see here the attributes are here. We could also see the title, description, and the royalty, taxon, etc. Once we're happy with all these, we can scroll down and start the mint process. Now this will use some of the mint credits, so you'll need to make sure that you purchase them either before you start this process. So we'll press lock batch. And now that the batch has been locked, we automatically generate that metadata for you for your NFTs and also pin it to IPFS as well as the image itself. And so this will take one moment and we'll be back in just a moment. And we're back, and we could see that all the images and metadata has automatically been pinned to IPFS. And we'll just grab this batch ID here, which we can now enter into the open source bulk mint application. So we'll switch to that now. Now we're in the bulk mint application, and so we could enter in our batch code or batch ID, submit. It will automatically now fetch all those NFTs. Now we can see the NFT count here is 5. And this is where we put in our XRP address and seed. Now, you have the option to pull these automatically using our API instead of using this bulk mint application. We do have it open source, so you can actually see what's happening behind the scenes and see we're not doing anything funny with your secret seed. But to automatically mint, say 1,000 or 10,000 without having to manually sign each one using Psalm, you're going to have to use something similar to this, like a minting script. So that's why we allow you to either use the open source bulk mint application, which you could see what's happening behind, or automatically pull all of them using our API and then mint each one by one. So for this example, we're going to use the bulk mint application. We'll enter in the XRP address. And this is all on the testnet at the moment. And we'll put in the seed, press mint batch. And now it's going through and signing all those NFTs. The batch is now finished, and we're going to go back into our account on NFTMaster, and we'll see all the NFTs that are there now. We're back now at NFTMaster, and if we scroll down, we could see that we have 5 collected NFTs, which are all in our account. They never went to a different account. And we have they all appear in the created section as well. If we go to activity, we could see that each one was minted, and we could also see that on the ledger as well. That's NFTMaster and the bulk mint process.